Welcome back to Real Life Wednesday. I want to talk to you about something that came up with one of my clients this week. And I'm sharing this because I know so many of you will see yourselves in this story. This client has been with me for a while, and when they're consistent, they lose weight beautifully. We're talking steady progress, better energy, everything clicking. And then after 7 to 10 days, it kind of falls apart. The same pattern over and over. When I gently asked what was happening, that person said, HALT. HALT as in capital HALT. And if you've never heard of HALT, it stands for hungry, angry, lonely, and tired. The four emotional and biological states that drive most derailments. And here's the amazing thing. The moment the client could name it, we had something to work with. Awareness is never the end of the journey, but it's absolutely the beginning of change. Now, I want to be really clear. Patterns like this don't mean somebody's weak. They don't mean that they don't want it enough. And most of the time, they don't even mean addiction in the clinical sense. They mean the brain and the nervous system are used to soothing discomfort with food. And when life gets stressful, the old loop fires back up automatically before the new habits have time to stick. So let's look at HALT through that lens. Hungry often means the plan wasn't structured to prevent blood sugar dips or that protein was too low that day. Angry or anxious means cortisol is doing the talking, and lonely means food is filling a space that connection should be filling. Tired means the brain is grabbing for fast energy. These aren't moral failures, they're human physiology paired with old emotional wiring. And then this is where resilience comes in. For this client, and maybe for you, the work isn't just about avoiding bad food. It's about building strength to pause, notice what's happening, and choose differently, even if old habits are loud in the moment. That's what resilience is, and it's something you can build. So, our next step together is strategy, preparing for the times we know will be vulnerable, having a plan for stress days, making sure meals are structured in a way that keeps hunger away, building a quick interrupt routine for those moments when emotions are in the driver's seat, and strengthening the skill of check in. Which halt am I feeling right now? This client hasn't mastered it yet, and that's okay. Very few people do on the first try, but they've taken the biggest step. They're aware, they're honest, and they're willing to keep trying. And that's what creates lasting change. Not perfection, not white knuckling, not all or nothing thinking, just awareness, strategy, and the courage to try again. So if you feel like you keep losing and gaining the same weight or repeating the same loop, I want you to hear this. Nothing is wrong with you. You're not broken. You're learning your triggers. You're strengthening your skills. And every time you get back up, you build resilience. And that's what really transformation is about and how it happens.